Adom Kwakufuado ne wapao 312 housing units edi Amagana Police Service ewo kwabenya won kramantami mu se won subenya baabi edi wonti ato de mampani kade to aso ene se wobetere adankra hudwe womo ehweso mbe kraw ne yie aye ne yie na nchiri manso ba da atwo wonya baabi di wonti ato Adom Kasee eto aso.
To address this challenge, government has been working tirelessly to implement a comprehensive urban development strategy, which includes the construction of affordable housing units, the expansion of transportation networks, and the upgrading of public facilities, such as schools, hospitals, and police stations. We made considerable strides in this respect. Since 2017, we've launched several initiatives aimed at addressing Ghana's housing deficit, which currently stands at some 2 million units. Despite these measures, rapid urbanization continues to put immense pressure on our land resources. This has led to the degradation of some of our prime lands, particularly in urban areas. It is therefore of utmost importance that we prioritize the optimal use of our land resources. That is why government, through the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and the Lands Commission, has embarked on an ambitious urban renewal program aimed at redeveloping prime areas in major cities across the country, including the Kumasi Sector 18, Marine Drive Tourism Development Project, and the Takrady Beach Road Redevelopment Scheme, amongst others. This facility, which I'm commissioning today, is the outcome of one such urban renewal program, the Aviation City Redevelopment Project at the airport in Clay.